Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Ramona. I will not read Ramona's last name because I don't want Ramona to be identified by any potential employer, especially because it seems like Ramona might be in a negotiation as we speak. Ramona says, I was told by my lawyer that my dual discrimination case is worth only $10,000 to $30,000. I feel that is extremely low. I was sexually harassed and picked on because of my disability. I'm frustrated and feel my lawyer doesn't want to try for a higher amount because she said school districts are cheap. Help. Okay. Ramona, here is what I will say. I don't know your case, and I don't know what's going on. And your attorney probably almost certainly knows more than I do because they're handling the case. They're dealing with you. They have a better advantage than I. Here's the thing. That means I'm guessing. It's possible your attorney's correct. It's possible there are significant flaws in your case, or the way your damage is calculated, or the way you earned, or who knows. Your damage calculation, you can hit up our damage calculation video and playlist. It's possible your attorney's correct. I don't know. But my fear is as follows. There are attorneys in this field who flip cases, right? And I'll just really quickly explain what that is. I've talked about it in a bunch of videos in the case. I think I have videos about case flippers. But I'll just give you a hypothetical so you know. A lot of firms in this industry work at 40%, right? So if an attorney takes a case and immediately, 2 hours in, settles it for 20 grand, well, that attorney doesn't necessarily care if that case was worth 20 grand, right? Like these case flippers, they want the fast settlements. And do the math on it. They spent 2 hours, got you 20 grand. Their 40% is $8,000. They just made $4,000 an hour. They didn't have to really invest time in your case. They didn't have to invest money in your case. They made out great. Now, could your case have been worth a lot more? Probably. They didn't care, right? I don't know. I don't know the valuation of your case. But I do know that generally, if I'm telling a client, listen, 10, 20, 30 grand, there's some flaws in the case or the valuation that just generally, like, I'm coming to the client like, listen, I have concerns. Here's what they are, right? So then I would throw it to you. Best way to determine, is your attorney a case flipper? Go back to your attorney and ask her, say, hey, tell me why 10, 20, 30 grand. Tell me why. Why is that the right number here? Is it the valuation? Is it risk factors in the case? Do you not think I'm credible? Do you think that juries or judges might think I am a liar, pants on fire? Why do you, my counsel, who takes a percentage, presumably, of everything you win from me, why are you telling me 10, 20, 30 grand? On a sexual harassment case, and let's be honest, sexual harassment cases are among statistically the most valuable in this field, right? So ask that question, pose that question, and just really listen to the answer. Get your pad out, get ready to take some notes, and listen. And if there is a well-reasoned argument with a lot of good information and references to your case and the facts of your case and the evidence available and the damage calculation, then you may be in good hands. You may even be receiving good advice. I'm not saying I would necessarily agree with the advice, but I am saying it might be well-intentioned, experienced advice. If, on the other hand, you get something akin to because I said so, or because that's all it's worth, or shut up and take it, or we're going to drop you if you don't take it, these are all answers that are indicative of somebody who is not out for your best interest. These are answers that reflect, to my mind, that this is a person trying to get a quick settlement and not a person making a well-reasoned plea to you saying, hey, I think this is actually the smart move. Right? And that's really what you have to determine. Now, your next step, if that doesn't work, if you don't reach a conclusion based on this test, so be it. Fair enough. You're going to need to get other attorneys to look at your case. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I want to make the videos, but I got the cough. I'm so sorry. But I got to make the videos, right? So these other attorneys, they're not necessarily going to want to help you because you already have representation. So they pretty much know you're not going to hire them because you're already subject to a lien. Fine. Normally, I would tell you never pay for a consultation. Here, I might tell you, hey, plunk down $200, $300, $400. Get a consultation. Spend that time talking about valuation. Get a lot of review done with your money. Get the attorney to really look at the evidence of your case. Get the attorney to do damage calculation. Make sure the attorney is an experienced employment attorney who actually knows the ins and outs of this field. And let them tell you, yay or nay. Good deal, bad deal, right? That's what we're trying to figure out. Is your attorney correct? Is your attorney meaning well? Is your attorney confused? Is your attorney a case flipper? Is your attorney an evil person who wants to get rid of your case? Is your attorney on the take? And I don't think your attorney's on the take. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, like, there's all these fears that people have. And I'm trying to give you some tools to address those fears. So I hope this helps. If you want to comment further down below in the comments, giving us further detail about these conversations, I will try to make you follow-up videos. I will try to balance the scales of attorney justice and tell you, hey, based on this, I have this concern. Based on that, I actually feel pretty confident about your attorney, right? Like, the fact of the matter is, I don't know. I'm far away. I don't know your case. I don't know your attorney. I don't know you. But if you want to tell me things, I can try to extrapolate, at least talk around ideas to give you some knowledge of how I would approach this if you value this. You may not. That's okay. But the offer stands. Anyways, really quick, everybody's going to notice the videos are really short this week. I've said it in a couple of videos. I go to Portugal on Friday. It's going to be a whirlwind trip. It's going to be a quick trip, but I got to get a ton of videos out so that videos keep popping up while I'm away. I feel terrible because I actually took the weekend off from making videos. I'm sure you all noticed. Some of you did, some of you didn't. No videos went live Saturday or Sunday because of this cough. I thought maybe if I took a little time, the cough would go away, and then I could just make videos without the cough. Hasn't been the case. Is what it is. Cough is like someone under control. I'm fine, but it's annoying on the videos, right? So I took some time off already. I don't want to take any more time off. I want to get answers out there. So I'm just going to get tons of these videos out. I'm trying to answer things very, very quickly, get people answers. And that's going to mean, generally speaking, smaller videos. And I would love to hear what people feel about that, because YouTube feels that I should do 8-minute videos at a minimum. In fact, YouTube feels I should do 8 to 20-minute videos. That is my sweet spot. And that feels long and is very time consuming. So I would love to hear what the viewers think about like 4-minute videos, 6-minute videos, max. Clearly, I'm going to spend less time talking around a topic, speaking to the totality of a topic. And I'll still make long-form content. But these short answers, let me know how they are. Okay? If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below, share the channel so it may grow. Thank you, everyone. Take care.